If you have a Yeswelder TIG, like the TIG 200P or the TIG 250, you know that besides the really bad torch that they give you with the on button, the second worst thing about the welder is going to be this foot pedal over here. So this pedal is way better than, using the torch and not being able to vary your amps, but I find it to be fairly inconsistent and I can't get the setting that I need. Besides the wires that constantly seem to rip or tear, even just under like light to moderate use, including right up here where this connector, as you can see, tape because it came out of its connector twice. I've had new wires sent to me from Yeswelder, and I mean this pedal is just about the worst thing about the welder. But after scouring around and researching, I found someone who actually makes custom TIG pedals. Please note, this video is not sponsored in any way. I paid the full amount of money, no discounts, no anything. I paid this just for this pedal, and I just wanted to show you because I can't find anywhere else that has a custom foot pedal for a Yeswelder. So I ordered this from SSC Pedals, and in the box you get the foot pedal along with invoices and a wiring diagram. So this here is the foot pedal. And I've used this for a number of hours. I like to keep it in the original box because, well, $200 is $200 for an expensive foot pedal. But here we have it. Super nice, super sturdy, and then there's these spring-loaded pins on both sides. So I ordered the optional heel rest, which will just slide over these pins, and then you have a heel rest for your foot. Super nice, high quality. And then the wiring I had custom made, so it's not 20-some feet, but this is 15 feet. Nice quality connector, super thick wires. You can just tell the difference. Here's the Yeswelder wire, and here's this one. This one's heavy duty. I believe it comes with a warranty, and I picked this up for, I think it was $220 without shipping for this nice pedal. And I know you're like, oh, $220, the welder's not even that expensive. Well, this one's $500, but yeah, the pedal's half the cost, but if it performs really nicely and you can weld way better with it, I mean, why not? It's kind of like the helmet, right? You can buy a $50 TIG helmet and then still see, or you can buy a $500 Miller and then be able to see even better and weld better. So that's just one of the things I found, and hopefully if anyone's looking for a TIG pedal, I got you.